Okay, it's moving by itself. That's weird. Strong, no net, power. It's turning off by itself, but it's still oscillating. I don't know what that means. Low. Don't know what it means, but it stops the fan and then it'll pick back up, and then it stops the fan and then it picks back up again. Let's turn that no net off. Still don't know what it means, but the fan is gotta really push it there. Okay. Off. Still a good fan. Height adjustable here. And this just secures this tighter, but this is the adjustable part to lift it up and down. And this makes it so you can turn it up and down. Nice long cord, which I have it shortened. Overall, good fan.